Most people drive right past this beach on their way to Canepa, but they are missing out a hidden rainforest, a boat car, and a secret entrance to the Blue Room. This is Playa Santa Cruz, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to spend a day here like a local. As you pull into the entrance, you'll see a quick split in the road. It looks simple, but choosing the right side matters depending on why you're here. Pro tip: head to the left. This is the secret parking area, and the big win here is the tree shade. In the Curaçao sun, you'll definitely appreciate coming back to a cool car after a few hours on the sand. The right side is mostly reserved for those launching boats and jet skis. But there's a plenty of space here in the open sun to park your car here. Take a quick second to check the rules on the way in. It's the usual: keep the beach clean and respect the area so it stays beautiful for the next person. And for the logistics, there are portable restrooms available right here near the entrance. They are basic, but they are here if you need them before you settle in. Right in the center of the action, you'll find the food truck. This is the heart of Playa Santa Cruz. Whether you need a cold drink or a quick snack, this is your go-to spot. This is also where you can rent your beach beds for the day. It's a good idea to grab one early if you're planning to stay for the afternoon. If you're traveling with a big family or a group, there's a large covered function area and several palapas. It's the perfect place to set up a home base and escape the midday heat. As for the vibe, just look at that water. It's that stunning Curaçao green. Keep in mind, the shoreline here is a bit rocky, so watch your step as you head in for a swim. If you're looking for more than just a swim, head over to the left side of the beach. This is the hub for Let's Go Water Sports, where most of the adventures start. They have a clear board showing all their services and contact info. I will put this information in the description of this video for your reference. For those who want to explore at their own pace, you can rent a kayak for $40. That covers 2 people for 2.5 hours. Plenty of time to reach the nearby coves. If you would rather sit back and enjoy the ride, they offer boat tours to the famous Blue Cave. It's $30 per person and takes about an hour and a half, hitting 3 different stops along the coast. And here is a local secret. This is one of the few beaches where you can actually hike to the one of the island's best hidden gems. This trail right here leads you all the way to the Blue Room. Now, let's head over to the right side. You'll notice the vibe changes here. This is the working side of the beach, mainly used for parking boat trailers. Santa Cruz is a major hub for local boaters and fishermen. Watching the skill they have trailering their boats in and out of the water is a show in itself. This is also the best spot to see the local fishermen bringing in their daily catch, giving you a real taste of authentic Curaçao life. Don't forget to look up. The mountain backdrop on this side is incredible and makes for some of the best photos on the island. You will see some darker, murky water on the far right. This is just stagnant water from the nearby mangroves and hills. It's a different ecosystem, and it's part of what makes this beach so unique. And keep your eyes peeled for the famous boat car. It's one of those only in Curaçao sites that always makes people do a double take when they see it cruising the bay. Keep your eyes on the water, not just for the fish below, but for the locals above. If you're lucky, you'll catch the pelicans dive bombing for their lunch. It's a great reminder of just how alive the nature is here. Between the rugged mangroves and the crystal green bay, Playa Santa Cruz offers a slice of the wild side of Curaçao that you won't find at the bigger tourist spots. Whether you're here to hike to the Blue Room, grab a local snack, or just watch the boats go by, this is a beach that truly has a bit of everything. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your day at Santa Cruz. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden gems around the island. I'll see you at the next beach.